products in a competitive way to different countries to remain developed apart from meeting the national needs. CNC machines, 5-axis systems, virtual reality techniques, and 3D printing have revolutionized the manufacturing sector. And this has a lot of impact on chips and pictures and drawing and tools. It will be a great service when the SMEs are upgraded with the new technology that can impact the sector in this sector. There is also need for you to bring up the administrators aware of the US Congressional Research Study paper in 2013 with the title The Tool and Die Industry. They have brought up the paper. The Tool and Die Industry contribution to US manufacturing and federal policy consideration is a very important document for that country. We have to think of such document for us. The recovery of Indian economy requires innovation in Indian manufacturing sector. It has to focus on creative products for the 600,000 villages of the country where 700 million people live. And these products in a mass scale would require out-of-box thinking from your profession. We have so many engineering colleges. I understand that many graduates are not employable. They take many other jobs.
Thank you very much, sir.
TAGMA is a die and mold association based in India, promoting the industry from 1990 when it was formed under an era where licenses were very important. We have come through a big era and we have reached the 25th year of our Silver Jubilee year, which is next year. We have been serving the industry with various government forum and various issues covering the industry's problems. We now look forward to a growth in the industry based on the. We will record it again.
Message you want to give to the Indian plastic industry?
Indian plastic industry has a great future because as our country population is growing, consumption of plastic per capita is also growing, and it will be today today's consumption will be doubled. They have to be prepared.
May I have the kind attention please? Exclusive luxury suite, fine dining by Shisha Resort is at your service. I repeat, exclusive luxury suite, fine dining by Shisha Resort is at your service.
Even at higher temperatures. The PC 5300.
Which is basically OEM company, and we are having basically the captive tool room, and we have a very big two tool rooms. One is specialized in making the sheet metal toolings and plastic molds, and we have another tool room which is specialized for making the aluminum die casting dies. So need has arisen that we should convert this tool room for others also, and that is the reason we took a decision in 2009, and our all captive tool room has been converted into the commercial tool rooms, and now we are into the market, and we are ready to serve to all the industry. And in last couple of years we have done several jobs for company like Magna Cosma, Mahindra, Tata, Ford, and we are further working on the plastic mold division also, and we are expanding in a continuous growth level.